I am Mary Axiak, Director of Advancement for KA, Class of 2008, here with a very special guest, Board President Michael Temple, Class of 2001 of KA, and we are here to kick off our week of giving.
Yeah, it's an exciting time for us, and we're only at the moment where we are today to be able to make these announcements because of the generosity we've received already this year. As you know, with KA, we have a certain target of fundraising that we need to be able to be operational as a school, if we put it in those terms. And we've exceeded those to the point where now what we can do with our week of giving is focus on some really special projects that we're going to talk to you today about.
Which I teased a little bit a few weeks ago in my Save the Date video, but here we are standing inside our St. John Paul II Auditorium. Now this space is the heart of KA. It's such a prominent space for our everyday life here at school. So, and starting with our spiritual life, in this space alone, we have Mass every week. The kids come together to have Eucharist adoration. We come together to pray the Rosary, to have praise and worship. We have guests come in every Wednesday to give their personal testimonies for Witness Wednesday. We have Stations of the Cross around the space.
Yeah, so outside of it being a place of worship for the school, which is such a heart of what our school is all about, it also is multi-purpose. So it serves things like the arts with our theater productions like the Midsummer's Night's Dream, which happened on our stage back there. It takes place with things like forensics, lectures, and our esteemed choir and all the efforts that we have for our choir as well. It's a practice place.
And that is why we're super excited to say that every dollar raised during this year's Week of Giving campaign is going towards some major improvements to our St. John Paul II Auditorium. Mike, you want to kick us off?
Yeah, I'd love to. So one of the first things that we really want to reimagine for this school is, or this space for John Paul II, is the entryway. We've kind of just accepted the entrance for this. And what we want to go is from a dual door entryway to a single door entryway, and even really plus it up as kind of a place of worship. We really envision bringing in stained glass imagery to the space that will represent and honor those history of KA and John Paul II possibly. We're in the stages of kind of imagining that.
So when you walk into the entryway, now walking into the space, imagine a fresh coat of paint in this entire room, lots of interior work, making some little maintenance projects to really liven up and to brighten up this space.
Yeah, and then outside of painting, which is great for aesthetics, there's the practical needs. So in this space, we've had chairs that I'm actually looking at one that says OLM, which means it came from Our Lady of Mount Parish as a donation back in the day, probably when I was in high school here. So we've had improvements with other chairs throughout the year, but we just want to imagine what are the actual chairs that we need for this space, the storage needs that we'll have, things like the choir room where there's just practical needs that we need to store all of our choir equipment, a lot of the arts equipment and things like that for the space.
And then outside of our practical needs, there would be some niceties that to really improve all of the various programs that we do inside the space. So in terms of lighting and sound, now we do have some ambitious goals for our lighting, because can you imagine chandeliers in this auditorium? So that is our plan. So getting rid of fluorescent lighting, bringing in some beautiful chandeliers to really elevate this space. And then imagine play productions and our praise and worship, and with Mass with just improved sound quality to really help our students enter into whatever program we're doing.
Yeah, and again, this place is a place for the arts for us as a school. So our choir takes place, and the choir risers that we've had for a number of years have served a great need. I think they were built by Frank Guido, and they've lasted the test of time. But in some ways, we have more practical needs to bring in professional risers that are maybe more mobile friendly, where we can transport them from places like the gym to the auditorium. And then, with our play and productions, we've really survived off of the curtains that were originally here as a school, especially the back curtains. And what's happened over the years is some of those have, let's say, fallen apart a little bit, and it really limits then the use of the stage as a whole. It kind of remains closed all year because we kind of want to block out what's there. So by refreshing the backstage with proper curtains, it really just allows us to use this space in such a better way overall.
Yeah, we love our JP2 auditorium. We love this space so much, and we want this space to reflect the important events and the conversation and the community, everything that we celebrate in this room. And so that is why we have a goal for all of these projects is to raise $150,000 during this Week of Giving campaign. So your generosity empowers the impact of what can be done in this space for our students, and it's a very tangible way to give to the school and to see an immediate impact that our students can enjoy when they come back in September. So I want to encourage you, if you have never given a donation to KA before, this might be the perfect time to do that. Be a part of something that will immediately improve our spiritual life at the school and our academic life. And if you have already given a donation to the school, the reason that we can do this is because of your generosity, so thank you so much. But I would ask that you prayerfully consider if this is something in addition that you can support and help us achieve this year.
We're thriving here at KA, guys. All things are at an all-time high. Our enrollment is at an all-time high for our school. Fundraising has been at a real all-time. And we feel now is the time to make bold asks to, again, improve, enhance our space, and make Koinonia Academy even better in the year to come.
So I really hope you'll join us for this Week of Giving. If you have any questions about this project, if you want to come and see it, please reach out to me. My contact details are in all of the emails that you're going to be getting. And every day this week, you're going to be getting even more details and information about the scope of works and some really great stories about what happens here at Koinonia Academy. So I hope you'll join us for this Week of Giving, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's do it.
That's great.